See y'all next time.
Woo! All right. Another video in the bag. If you want to pass me the SD card, I can go ahead and get started on editing. Oh, yeah, sure. Here. Cool. Oh, man. I could really go for another beer. Jeez, there's just too many carbs. If only there were some other drinks. Oh, actually, do some low-carb cocktails. That would actually make for a really good video, too. Alright, welcome back to Cooking with Cocktails with Coupel. Dude, what the hell are you doing? This is my video now, bitch. That's it, I'm getting to it.
Roll the intro.
Woo! Alright guys, welcome to Cocktails with Coupel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 simple and easy cocktails. Today I'm going to show you guys 4 simple and delicious low-carb, low-calorie cocktails that you can enjoy while you're dieting. We're going to jump straight into this. So the first thing that I'm going to be making is a low-carb Old Fashioned, which is one of my personal favorite cocktails to make. Alright, first thing that we're going to need is just any kind of mixing container, just to get everything started. First things first, just get a little bit of ice in there. Don't need a whole lot, we're just trying to chill.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Alright, first off we're going to start with our bourbon. You can either use rye whiskey or a regular bourbon. Here I've got Bullet. We're going to do 2 ounces of our bourbon. Next up we're going to do 2 to 3 dashes of our bitters. I'm going to do 1/4 ounce of a low-carb simple syrup that I made by doing equal parts swerve and equal parts water boiling on the stove, and pretty much just turns into this nice, sweet, simple syrup. Okay, and we'll go ahead and give that a nice stir. Grab our glass. We're going to need a nice big ice cube. Go ahead and grab an orange. We're going to take off about maybe a 3-inch piece of orange peel. We'll go ahead and just open it up a little bit, kind of get the essence of the outside of our orange peel. Go ahead and stick that right in there. All right, we'll go and grab our mixture and pour it in. And that is how you make a simple and delicious low-carb, low-calorie Old Fashioned. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, again, this is one of my favorite cocktails of all time to make. It's essentially just taking bourbon and spicing it up. Hold up. Ooh-wee. Okay, we're gonna keep rolling along. Oh, Jesus Christ. What if I did fucking tricks like that? That'd be cooker. That'd be too much. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I am not a fan of vodka. Not my thing. However, a few years ago, I had a bottle. It was just a huge fucking bottle that we had for a party. It sat in our cabinet for a long time, and I eventually discovered that some LaCroix and vodka goes, it works pretty well. Back then, I didn't even have the syrups or the fruits. No shaker involved. Simply just start with glass. Go ahead and get our ice in there. So what we're gonna do,
What the dog
we're
doing?
gonna kind of layer this up here. So got some random chunks of ice. And we're gonna make this fancy by throwing some fruit in there. So I have black raspberry LaCroix. So I went out and got some fruits to match. That makes sense for this. Looks pretty good. It's up to you how much you want to use. I used to not even measure this. 1 ounce, let's do 2 ounces. 2 ounces of a decent quality vodka, whatever you got. Don't hurt yourself. A little bit of simple syrup, 1/4 ounce. Then all that's left to do is pour your LaCroix on there. And there you go. Isn't that pretty? Well, let's give it a little taste. That is actually seriously delicious. You can get into a lot of trouble with this. Grab whatever LaCroix flavor that you can find, get the appropriate fruits, and there, you've got a nice low-carb, low-calorie, little vodka LaCroix. Whoa, got a little bright in here. Maybe it's just me. Look at the fit.
Now the main problem area is up here. All of this going on up here is what's causing me the most physical discomfort. It's like a visceral reaction of discontent coming from this area. This area is not good either. I hate this, but I'm mainly worried about this.
I would say out of all the cocktails I'm doing today, this is probably my second favorite. I fucking love margaritas. And the thing is, margaritas are super simple to make, so we'll go ahead and start breaking it down. Okay, first thing you're gonna need to do, grab your shaker, ice in here, 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice. Going to do a I'm gonna do a half an ounce of our simple syrup here. All right, then we're going to go ahead and pop the top on here and give it a nice shake. Go ahead and grab our Margarita Salt. Go ahead and grab yourself lime wedge here. You're going to run it all along the rim, create an adhesive for the salt. Get in here and mix it around. You should see. Got a nice, perfect little salt rim. Go ahead and get some ice in our cup as well. Right. I like to drop in, I've got some limes that I quartered. I like to just throw those in, a little bit extra. Grab our strainer and pour that bad boy in. I know this is supposed to substitute for an orange liqueur. This is what's gonna make it a little more low carb, low calorie, is I've got some orange flavored Perrier here. Throw in one more, oops.
Hello there.
Throw in one more piece of lime. Good measure, and there you go. Got a nice little easy, low carb, low calorie margarita. Oh my god, that's looking spot on. I love margaritas, so good. Alright folks, the vodka has made a return. It is back for the second time because we are doing Bloody Marys. Like I just said before, I have never had, I think I've had a Bloody Mary like once in my life. Don't remember if I liked it or not, so it's gonna be interesting to see if I like one that I make. So we'll definitely need just a container for mixing in this and a strainer for later. I'm going to do just a couple pieces of ice in here just to cool it down just a little bit. But we're gonna start out with a total of, I'm actually doubling this recipe because I'm gonna be pouring it into a pint glass. So I'm doing a total of 11 ounces of tomato juice, make sure it's unsweetened, 2 ounces of vodka. This is pretty interesting for me. I never knew that Worcestershire sauce made its way into Bloody Marys, but it kind of makes sense, nice and savory. I'll do about a quarter ounce. Got about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. The recipe that I found calls for 4 to 5 drops of hot sauce. This stuff was a little spook. So, okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and get that mixed up. Okay, so let's get our glass ready. I have a mixture of kosher salt and smoked paprika. Grab a lemon, just run it along. This will add for a little bit of acidity and flavor. Okay, yeah, that'll work as a nice little flavorful, savory rim. Add some ice, and we'll go ahead and pour our mixture in. Don't want to do all the way because with Bloody Marys there are plenty of garnishes involved. Lemon wedge, beef jerky, a couple strips of bacon, got a carrot, you gotta have our veggies. We got a little cucumber spear in here. And you know what, fuck it, I got a couple of these mussels. Yeah, there we go. There's our Coupal special Bloody Mary. Obviously, as great as this looks, it's a little silly. Bacon, I haven't eaten anything for breakfast yet. Oh my god, oh no, it's like 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten food yet. I look like I'm in pain, but I'm chewing bacon and drinking this, and honestly, it kind of fucking slaps. That's pretty good. Might as well eat the food too, right? Now we've gone full circle. It's cooking with Coupal all over again. There's food involved now. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. And at the end of the day, if cocktails aren't your thing, well, you can't go wrong with a little shot. Cheers. Oh shit. I knew they'd be coming. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, okay?